Let's build a terrarium. We're going to start with our drainage layer. Today we're using leca. Add 1 to 2 inches of leca to the bottom of your terrarium to separate the soil from excess water. Next we're going to add a screen. The screen will keep the soil in place and allow excess water to move into the drainage layer. Place a thin layer of horticultural charcoal on top of the screen. Charcoal acts as a natural filter by absorbing contaminants and excess moisture, preventing mold and bacteria. Next, add a 2 to 3 inch layer of terrarium soil on top of the charcoal. Create a small divot in the soil where you would like to place your first plant. Carefully remove your plant from its pot. It helps if you give the pot a gentle squeeze to loosen it. Place the plant into the divot and cover the roots with the surrounding soil. Create a divot for your next plant. It may help to use the provided terrarium planting tool. You can also use the tool to place the plant into the divot and to backfill around it. Follow the same steps for your third plant. Your terrarium should look something like this. Now it is time to add the bark, rocks and moss from the bag labeled Decor. Using your hands or the planting tool, place the items around the plants to create a natural setting. Fill the provided watering tool with tap water. Squeeze the bottle to moisten the soil. You will see the soil darken as it absorbs the water. Slowly add water until the soil is moistened all the way around your terrarium. But avoid adding so much water that it collects in the drainage layer. If you have more than a quarter inch of water in the bottom, leave the lid off to allow the excess to evaporate. We hope you enjoy your terrarium. Thanks for joining us.